God, oh my God. Oh my
You're
God.
tired, eh?
Yeah, does he really stay out this time?
You've seen what I was telling you. I know he's with a woman as we speak now. He's with a woman.
My dear, this is frustrating. But it's okay. You need to go and sleep, and I will do the same because I've got a very long and stressful journey tomorrow to embark on. We need to sleep.
Please. Gift, you're not going tomorrow.
Why?
I have my plans.
No. Rose, no, not
Please.
this time.
Please don't go tomorrow.
Why?
I have my reasons. I want to confirm something.
Oh.
Please. You've never said no. I know you. You've never said no to me. Please. If it's the last thing I'm going to ask you, because I know if I ask you for something, you always do it.
That's why you're taking advantage of that.
I am not.
Go away. I need to sleep.
Me too. You've seen the kind of man I marry. Oh, you can go and sleep.
I be over Sabi. I tear eye well. Na wrong side day. I no need personal device. Anyhow I want to make na my target. Oh, baby, one day he go tell on you. You hear? One day.
So go again. I beg. If not, please stop her. Eh?
I'm not playing. I don't want to go. I'm not happy.
What's it gonna happen again now? What's the problem?
Babe, with the way I'm feeling right now, if I'm in a hotel room with a man at night, I might stab him and run. I go choke him. I'm not happy with men, Salt.
No, I never reach like that.
These people are not our brothers.
I never reach like that. Calm down. Calm down.
I don't want to go. What my sister is passing through in her husband's house gets me so upset. Like I'm so angry. Like I'm not happy with men right now. What's the point going?
Me too. When they go see them now, no, they happy with them. But you know now, I just want to go there, catch phone, collect money, pocket time, come back, chill. Last, and the money we want. Where they go?
I no go fit. Where we just sleep. Let's just sleep.
Hey, which kind of talk be that one now? I beg, this one don't pass English. No, they blow grammar. No, they blow grammar now. You just stay here. I don't finish my makeup because you no one go again. No, they behave like that now.
Salt, I don't want to go. Can't we just sleep?
Baby, one day he go tell on you. Yeah, one day he go tell on you. All the wrongs you they do. One day he go tell. If you like to leave school, they parade. One day he go tell on. They change men like clothes. One day he go tell on.
Welcome.
Can we talk now?
We can talk tomorrow, please. I want to sleep.
No, I want us to talk now because I'm leaving very early tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, why do you have to slap me that way?
Dennis, please, good night. Good night, Dennis.
You know what? You're starting up a fight that you cannot win. I'm trying to make peace and you're mispeaking.
I don't care! Did you hear me, Dennis? I don't care! Did you hear me? You can go to hell. But let me tell you something. You will regret whatever you're doing to me in this house. Nonsense.
Look, let me ask you something. What did I do to deserve that kind of stupid slap I got from you in the morning? Who knows what you're going to do to me tomorrow morning?
Okay. Meanwhile, I'm traveling tomorrow to see my mom. Nonsense.
One day he go tell on me. All your chitty. One day he go tell on me. Carry one girl, carry the other one. One day he go tell on me. You want enjoy yourself. One day he go tell on me. Oh, one day he go tell on me. No supportable. One day he go tell. Because everything they return. One day he go tell. Whether good or bad he go return. One day he go tell. Now one day I dey give. One day he go tell on me. Be careful, be careful. One day he go tell on me. One day.
Babe, I wish you follow me go this party last night.
Really?
Serious drama.
Drama.
And I can tell you,
What happened?
small drama. Oh man, no. Oh man, come club, come to embarrass her husband.
You don't say.
And I tell you, can't you see happen now? People gather them, begin to carry their phone, the record.
Was it that bad?
I should say by now, you don't enter social media. Trust people now. People they find content for their Instagram.
That serves him right. He must have been hurting her so much, just like my sister's husband.
The woman self, she don't get shame. Her own day, her body, she don't get shame. She just come. So she see her husband, they rock one girl from behind. Begin to embarrass the man. They drag him for his manhood. Can't see the man.
His private part.
And they tell you, man just cry like pikin. Kind of pity and small.
Hey.
The worst part be say she carry her 3 months old baby come club. Which kind of woman be that?
What?
I tell you.
Hey. She must have been so hurt.
To say the husband come out from house for over 1 month. No drop money for feeding, nothing. Just come out. Come the club. They pop wine and champagne. They dash girls.
You see it.
Problem with that.
It's annoying. Babe, why should he be spending in clubs while neglecting his own family? Who does that if not a stupid man? He deserve her. Anything where that woman can do her for club. Now waiting deserve be that. Now.
Make her bust your mind. Take my phone.
Babe, what is it now? You know you're full of surprises.
There are a lot of 50,000 with this.
Where'd you get that from?
Nah, maybe the babe now. Nah, maybe the babe. Oh.
Salt! You?
I'm here.
So what did you do when the woman was doing all this?
What's in concern me? Here.
Hey, so...
Me if I don't get shame. I don't throw my shame since. I don't get shame. I just did there.
Salt, you have mind though. Your liver big, where, babe?
I'm gonna leave out. Even beef. What's concern me?
Hey! But you see, man, I told you, they are not our brothers.
I tell you, men, they wicked. They really deal with you. What's it concern me? What's it concern me? I just work when my money come back.
And you see why I had a bad feeling about us going out last night. See what it can happen now. All this drama.
Forget your feeling. I tell you last. We go carry money come back. See me now. I don't carry money come back. And the most important thing be that.
Happy.
I'll tell you.
Not true. Hey, babe. About that money. You know I'm your friend.
I know say my friend now.
So? My share. Where your phone?
Maybe well.
Do that transfer. Transfer to my account.
You sure say you well so? No. The embarrassment why I collect for jail. You follow me collect the embarrassment. Look my face, that was the one I can put for social media go be that.
But if anything comes up, I go defend you.
Nah lie. When they talk that one. Now my face now go enter social media. As girl way they collect my husband. We can embarrass for club. I better leave my money from you.
Whatever. Anyway, I still want to sleep. I don't know why I won't be.
Please, I won't sleep.
You suppose. You should.
One day he go tell on me. All your chitty. One day he go
Morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
I'm Gift, your wife's friend.
Oh, Gift.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank
So,
you.
when did you come?
Yesterday, I slept before you could come back.
You slept in this house?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. That's nice. That's nice.
Gifts, are you done?
Oh, no day.
Okay.
Honey?
Yeah.
Your friend came to the house and you didn't even care to tell me. How could you disregard me that way?
I'm sorry.
Babe, see me in the room.
Am I in some kind of trouble?
You're not. You're not. Oh, I said so. Don't worry. Don't do anything. Just see if things okay.
Hey.
Honey, I am so sorry I didn't tell you that she's coming. She was just stranded, so I asked her to come and stay with us.
That is it. You see your life. Hmm?
I'm sorry.
See your life. After you'll be claiming as if you're the holy wedge here. Eh? How can you invite your friend to the house without my consent? Is it good or the man?
No. I'm so sorry. Okay? It was just urgent, so Anna said she should stay. Then when she's leaving this morning, I promise you.
She's leaving this morning?
Yes.
No. Stay. It's okay. It's okay. She's your friend after all. Not tomorrow night you say that I chased your friend out of the house.
It's okay.
Yeah,
it's
I'm a good person. I'm not a hard-hardened person.
I know.
Yeah, allow her to stay. Let her feel free and eat whatever she wants to eat. Eh?
Thank you so much.
Anyway, get my food ready. Let me prepare for work.
Okay.
Yeah?
All right.
She's your friend, so let her be.
Okay.
I hope she's fine. Yeah?
Yes.
So you won't say that I chased your friend out of the house. Yeah? Now I'm a good person.
Thank you so much.
Sister, I don't like this, eh? Please stop thinking now. I don't like this mood, though. I don't like it. Thank God Mama is here.
What is it? Why are you like this?
I will take some minutes and think about my life.
It's okay. I'm happy you are here now. Let's see if God will bless you from here.
Amen.
God will bless me from here. Young girl like me. I've come back to base in the village. To sew cloth in the village. How will God bless me now? From where will He bless me? If I tell you, I suffer in that city.
I don't do many things, but I don't settle for one. I be professional tailor. We know they too. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international tailor. My name I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me anywhere, call me Oyibo. Because not true you talk. Tailoring na my work, Oyibo, the international tailor. I because not true you talk. Oh, you go business life, getting many chapters.
Other ones see though. Other ones see.
Okay.
Other ones see. See my shop here.
Okay.
Why pick her down?
Yes.
Still call me Oyibo, the international tailor. I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international tailor. I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international tailor. I go answer because not true.
My money is plenty. If I know now, I'll be able to buy Baja. From Baja, tailoring shop. I will go to the fashion school. Hey! Hello? Hey, what do you mean? You have got admission? Am I stopping you from going to the admission? I said I do not have any money. I will send you small money to secure the admission first. You know, as time is going. What do you mean by that? Hey, Bia, I'll slap you now. What do you mean Mama wants to talk to me? Tell Mama I say I will call her back. Tell her I say I will call her back. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that nonsense? I'll call her back. I'm happy that I already have some small money. She's calling me now for admission. They'll collect it until 1,000 will remaining.
I don't do many things, but I don't settle for one. I be professional.
Shut down. Yes. Shut down. Yes. Just length where?
Just below my head.
Yeah. If you don't get the length where, wahala don't come with that. Length 32.
International tailor, I go answer because not true you talk. Tailoring na my work.
Where you want me to the hand?
Short hand.
Oh, you like short hand? Like here? 14, I know. I'll flip them. I'll flip them. Then inside, yes, you'll find.
I want it fitted.
Yes, your bust. Let's get your bust. Yeah. Nothing dead yet. I go put soda part. I put foam.
Go do and make package.
Yeah, go back 32.
I hope you go do it very well.
Yeah.
Very, very well.
No, but fine, you go to like her.
Okay. I trust you and let me come.
No, do your hips. Hips. No hips, but just put hips zero. Nothing dead yet. Now just bone on your leg.
For me.
Yes, no need. Nothing the hips. So I put hips zero. Oh, you go.
So
okay,
now,
okay.
how much?
5,000 plus zip. Now that inner zip I will use for this cloth. 6,000.
Customer, now 5,000 I will give you. Make I give you 3,000.
Because I won't make you customer.
No problem. Make I give you 3,000. Now when I call collector, I will give you a balance 2,000.
Thank you. So,
I'll come for
no
you
problem.
guys.
No
Alright,
problem.
now thank you very much. Oh, you go.
Then I change them.
You have to change it. I fought with her. I fought her.
I told you.
I beg, help me check if the yards are complete.
Okay. They think say you don't know what you are doing. They will cheat you.
I said it.
Remove half yard inside.
The trouble I gave to her is like bicycle. It's not hard to start.
Now so. They think they are smart. So you say it's 4 yard, Daddy?
Just help me check it.
I'll check it now. That is one.
The next thing you see, I'm the high. If no be amigo, be our.
You check well, this woman is something else.
It's complete.
It's complete.
It's 4 yard.
Good. See, I want you to make jumpsuit for me. I hope you can do it very well.
International. Because I did here.
No, I trust you now. Let me take her come.
Oh. Okay, so how many yards this is be now?
4 yards.
You sure say na 4 yards?
Look me and you.
I just count that.
Oyibo. No player can play with me. No player can play with me.
I said make I make you fear. Okay, so now I do your measurement. How you want the hand?
First hand. You want the way.
Where you go come up like this?
Correct. You sabi the thing now.
How you want me to puff long reach?
No, just normal puff hand now. Where it makes sense.
Yes, I
See,
know.
you will not carry me play. See, I won't carry and go celebrity party. Respect yourself. Do am very well. That woman, the power now I give her, tell you say they like bicycle. You know they had to start.
No.
So for you, I never feel remember what I could do.
You know be fight though.
You know go be fight, abi? Correct girl. Let's do am.
So puff hand, abi?
Puff hand. Find one. Maybe say if I come out, they go know the person come out. I need a joke. I need a smile. I need a play. As serious. Because this cloth, when I come out, they go know say babe don't show. So just take your time and do very well. I hope I'm okay with that.
Okay. So this one now, the person wants jumpsuit. Full length jumpsuit.
Okay.
But the material is plenty. Because her back is like Fulani herdsman cow. Very big. So that's why the material is plenty. You add material to it.
Okay.
And then she says you should pad the breast too.
No
problem. The measurement is here. That's the measurement for that one. Okay. This one is the measurement for this one. She wants gown. She wants gown. So I told her 6 yards. The remaining material.
Checking out.
Okay.
This one is 4,000 naira last.
Okay, you don't want me to eat? Or you don't want me to open big shop like this your shop? That one, do 3,000. This one, I give it to 5.
I don't try for you now. Okay, no worry.
The remaining material.
I don't need
So, let me be good. When will it be ready for me to come and collect it?
When did you ask them to come get it?
3 days.
It will be ready tomorrow. Take, maybe cut this clothes fast, Fast. Tomorrow, when you can collect them.
Okay! Let me wait for the...
No problem. Bring more customers.
Yes, so somebody want to even do wedding. Ashoebi.
Are you serious?
Aye.
But you have to build them well.
I'll bring it for you.
Build them well.
Yes. You want one straight gown. I will bring it.
Oyibo!
I am smart. Who said I will not make it? I am smart.
Come never.
Then call my mouth.
Oh, you bought my person.
Then call my mouth.
My personal person. The international tailor.
It's me.
I can see.
That's the bone straight gown.
Bone straight there for plot too. It's really straight.
Yeah, said let's go.
So how far now?
Straight. I'm fine. Where have you been since?
My dear, I'm so sorry. My mother was very sick, so I have to travel to go see her.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So my card, day first day, yesterday, today.
Okay. That's nice. How much did it?
This morning now, 4,000 I will give you.
Okay.
250 for customer.
The international tailor.
But I have 6,000 at home.
Okay. Then I have to wait for you, so you go and bring it.
Yes, let me go and bring it.
Let me sign.
Then go my man.
Oh, you go my person. I like the way they supply.
I discussed you with one of my friends.
For real?
Yes. She says she's looking for somebody that she'll be saving her money with because the woman she used to save with has moved away. So I told her, Denko is your man. Denko is your man.
Because I'm going to bank her money very well.
I told her. Denko.
Okay. I don't sign.
No. This one. That Thursday.
I don't sign for you for
Thursday. That Thursday, your bed don't know work.
You sharp, eh?
Denko, my man.
Sharp, eh? If you leave that one, I'll make a chop.
No. Thank you.
Okay, take. Let me work for you, so go and bring it.
Yes.
Okay. When you go my person, let me work for you.
Let me quickly get the other one. For yesterday.
Please be fast. I'm waiting for you.
Okay. So this is the saving man I told you about, Denko.
Okay.
This is okay.
Bros, welcome.
Thank you, my dear. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay.
Hope is trustworthy.
Very, very trustworthy. Even look at his shoe, you know that he has sense. If not for them, I would not have saved anything. It's a moving bank.
Okay.
Yes.
My dear, listen. Don't be scared of anything, eh? Don't be scared of anything. I work with Sonia Bank and I'm a staff with them. Okay? You don't have to be scared of anything.
Okay, oh, that's better. At least now I'm happy knowing my money is safe.
Very safe. Very, very safe.
Very
you
safe.
don't have any problem.
I talk with you, they talk now.
It's a moving back.
Yes, I'm moving back. Hey.
Let me get to the money.
No problem.
Hey, let me be going to my shop. This is Dikeh bought coke for yourself. If not buy for me.
If I'm going to your shop, I'll buy for you. At least I'm the one banking for you. You have enough money. So you should buy it for me.
Yes, that's
Let's do it.
One cardio.
Oibo.
Hey!
How are you?
Fine.
I've come for my clothes.
Yes.
What is ready?
No story. Very, very ready. Welcome. Welcome. See, I'm here.
So where can I change?
Okay. Here. Nobody's looking. Don't worry. Hey, customer.
Oibo.
Good
evening, no.
How now?
Fine, I came to get my clothes.
Hey, it's ready.
Oh, where is
No
it?
story. It's ready.
Okay, better.
Let me just help my customer. Let her change, and I give you your own.
Okay.
Are you rushing?
I'm going somewhere.
Sorry about that. Let my customer change, and I come and show you your own. Okay, perfect fit.
It's okay.
Perfect fit. Both
Okay, I'm
straight.
waiting.
I'm coming.
Don't worry, we'll find how
Who died?
Nobody died. Nobody died.
And then why is she crying? Nobody died. Why is she crying?
This is your fault. You told me that guy is a trusted fellow. Now you're running away with my money.
The banking guy that came to do this thing.
The moving bank. Dennis. No, I trust Dennis. I trust him.
You don't need to try to call him. His phone is switched off. I'm just coming back from the bank. They said they've sacked him about 4 months ago. And he still comes here to collect money. My 300,000.
Don't tell your auntie sorry. My money is there. My money. My money is there too.
I'm talking about my money. You're talking about your money.
Hey! My money.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
250,000 naira. Vanished. Dennis. It will not be well with Denko. Denko will die. Hey? Where with you, Denko? Hi.
Hello. Good day. Are you the one here? Are you here? Hello. Good evening. Are you the one? Sorry, are you the one here?
Bros, I do not have time for any preaching. If I am not the one here, is it this cloth that is here?
I'm sorry. You are crying. What's the
I'm
problem?
not crying, I'm lamenting. And I do not have time for preaching. That Jehovah Witness woman that you see going so, I'm the one that drove away from here with the pamphlet. Because pamphlet and preaching is not my problem now.
I know maybe you might have the challenge, but they said a problem shared is half solved. So can you share with me?
Share with you for what? So that you tell me God to provide. Yeah, if you are a pastor, just zoom for now. I do not have time to talk to anybody. Do you not see? These 7 people just came here like the way you are standing now. That's how he came, like a human being. And told me, oh, I'm a moving bank, I'm a saving bank. Oh, I keep it for you. It was not spend you no go spend the money.
Okay.
He ran away with my 250,000.
250,000.
Yes, Denko.
Wait, you were associating with all those people that we are saving, tax collectors, well, kind of. You see what I've been telling you people? It's good to go to bank. Bank is the most reliable place to save. You shouldn't have associated with those people. Anyway, God will definitely provide. All right, I want to give you a contract. I don't know if you can deliver for me.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, that's why you came?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of contract?
Well, my father and I opened school down that road.
That's school where they are wearing green?
Yes, that's cool. Yes. I don't know if you can sew school uniform for all the students.
I've
Can you
already
deliver?
finished.
Students.
I've
Can you
already
deliver?
finished sewing. I've delivered the uniform already. Don't look at all these ones too. All these ones. They are a nuisance. They are a nuisance. Yes, this one now. That is a bogus plan. That's my bogus plan. I sew very well. Do not mind this shop. I sew very well.
Right.
Yes.
I'm happy that you are at least you are smiling now. You know, if you are not a good sewer,
The uniform.
Yes,
You want to sew.
I understand. The uniform, don't worry, I'll give you the contract. All right. If you are not a good sewer, you wouldn't have made up to such amount of money
That they stole.
that they stole. So just calm down, relax. I'll give you the contract.
Thank you.
But make sure you deliver for me.
I will. I will.
hope there will be no complaint.
No.
Are you sure? You can deliver.
Yes.
So I'll be trusting you to give you that contract.
Yes. Thank you very much.
It's all right. I will get back.
Oyibo, get out of my shop. I don't want to do business with you again.
Okay, I'm sorry about what happened. It's not my fault. The man ran away with my own money too. You lost money, I lost money. Please, don't allow me lose this contract. Let us do it so that we can recover from the shock.
I don't want. The only way I will do this business with you is if you bring the man here. I own the business, then when I'm done, I give you what I want.
Can you see that? That's wickedness. That's a wicked talk. I bring it for you, then you give me. He says, give me what he wants. Why?
Oyibo, get out of my shop. I don't want to do. Is it my force?
Consider this thing. I'm telling you, it will not be nice. Let us just.
Oyibo, get out of my shop. I don't want to do business.
Hey, I'll go.
Oyibo, leave my shop.
I'll go. I'm going to. I rather leave your shop than give you that contract. I'll lose it.
Leave it.
Greed. I should give it to you, then you give me anything you want.
Oh, so you still have mouth to talk?
Yes.
Oh yeah, leave my shop.
I'm going.
I'm not doing now.
It will not be good if I lose it and you lose it. Let's do it together so that we can have something to fall back
I
on.
said I'm not doing. I thought you are going now. Oh, you go leave my shop. Leave my shop.
I'm going.
Hey, go now.
I'll go.
Hey. Oh, you go leave my shop.
I'll go.
Go now. Why are you begging?
You are looking for my trouble.
I don't care.
Okay, you are looking for my trouble.
You've not seen anything. I don't care. You have to pay me for the last cloth I made for you.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, okay? Are you the only person that is standing back and took your money away?
You are sharpening your mouth now.
Yes.
You are sharpening your mouth now. Okay. God don't catch you today.
Hello? What lady doing this outside? What's going on?
No.
What's the problem?
Nothing at all, sir.
Oga, tell her to pay me my money. Our business is over. It has ended though. What? Don't bring it to my shop. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my shop. I am tired of you bringing clothes for me to sew and you end up taking the credit.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, really? Okay.
What do you mean by that, okay? What do you mean?
She will bring the money to you.
After that, I'll bring the money.
Just calm down.
Small
Okay?
this thing that we discussed.
I don't want it. Give it to me now.
Just relax. She will bring the money for you. Meanwhile, Oyibo, I'm in a haste. What about our
It's
contract?
still on 10 points, sir. You can go. I'll come and see you
All
after.
right.
Yes, hey, Bia, what's that?
I
What do you
hope
mean?
you are not
What do you
trying
mean?
to give her
Okay.
clothes to sew. She does not know how to sew.
What do you
She
mean by
did not
that?
learn work.
What do you mean
she
by that?
always bring it
What
to
do you
me
mean?
to
Are
sew.
you the one that?
Yes.
Are you the one that opened this
She
shop?
does not know how
Are you the one that
to
opened this
sew.
shop? Okay, what do you mean by that?
Oyibo, I thought you said you're a professional.
Professional, sir. Please just ignore her.
Oga, can
I come and see you later.
professional
Professional
tailor be in the shop
I'll
She
come
does
and
not
see you
know how
later.
to sew.
I'll come and see you
It's
later,
okay.
sir.
I will see you later. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
I'll see you later.
We'll discuss
Give me
when I
my
come.
money.
Excuse me, sir.
Oga, give it to me. I'll do it better. Hey! People!
What do you stand to gain now?
Oyibo.
No.
Hey!
This thing you did now.
People!
What will you gain?
Hey, Oyibo!
Eh? This thing you just did now.
Oyibo,
okay.
I'm joking.
What do you stand to gain?
Hey! Rescue!
What do you gain?
Hey!
What do you gain? The city is filled with very useless people. Very useless. When you get to the city, The whole road is filled with people walking. More than half of those people, they are mad. Eh? I saw cloth. All the too long. I saw another one. All the too short. I saw again, the shoulder part, they too high. Someone that is fat like this. And we saw the person's size. I said, all the too big. All the too big. Eh? Before that useless man. Now brother Bro and Ami. I have to find my way.
It will never be well with that girl.
The man will die first.
Yes, both of them.
Hey, Mama, sister, allow me to go to the city and deal with that dingo. Eh? Why would I be and treat myself like this now? Let me go to the city.
It's okay.
Sister, let me go and fight for you. Let me go and fight for you and show them that you have a brother. Mama, come on, Mama.
Oh, you big come. You people chai. Mama can you put me able. You people will make me fall. Oh, you body please your brother,
Mama, stop.
Mama can. Obina wants to go and tell them in the city where I'm hiding.
No.
Now the only thing that is paining me now is why. Hey. Wants to go and tell them where I'm hiding.
No, stop.
See how you children are carrying me like as if you are carrying gold. Did I not warn you? You know the when I told Obina that the policeman that arrested me, I told him, I said, let me bring goat to come and apologize. Osim no. Osim bone is too much in goat. That he wants ram. My way will I get money to buy?
Mama, help me.
Oh, your boy is okay. Please, he's your brother now. Please, come on.
Every day in this house, Obina wants to go to the city and go and fight. If Obina go to the city and go and fight, the army man that they brought, when he heard me here, Mama, I realized that there are plenty ways to kill a woman. Just this way he heard me. Huh? If Obina go there now, the man just hold Obina. He will tell them where I am hiding.
He's not going again. He will not even try it.
I will not.
He will not. Hey, Oyiba, your mother now. Listen to Oyiba, please. Hey! Don't kill the one card.
Okay.
What's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
How could you send me a red pant for a breakfast?
Do you need something more attractive this morning? No, tell me. Swear you don't know the owner of this pants. You he-goat. You're a shameless man.
What's going on here?
Nonsense.
Are you going somewhere?
Oh yes, I'm going to the village. Please, take care of my house, I beg you. And don't go if I don't come back. Okay, thank you so much.
Safe.
Yes. Nonsense.
I'm sorry, it's not funny.
How could your friend serve me a red pant as breakfast? What's the meaning of this? Is that no? Is this fair?
Oh no, it's not.
Huh?
I'm so sorry. Just leave it, okay? Let me close, please. I'm so sorry. Don't mind her, okay?
Wait there. Where are you going to? So this is how you want to come to your own father's house now? Without even waiting for Mama? You cannot wait for Mama?
Sister, what is it again now? What wrong have I done now?
Because you know what you did.
I didn't do anything. Please do. I have to go have lectures this morning. What is it? I just bought your things because only helped you to beg me to bring it to you.
If not, I won't be here.
What is it now? Allow me to go.
Hey, Bia, I scatter your face just now. You think it's play? I scatter your face just now. What do you mean by that nonsense?
Yeah.
Eh? That's how you want to behave in your father's house.
So this is how you tell me thank you this morning. No thank you for me. Eh? No thank you.
Let Mama come back, you will see yourself.
You think I don't know? I know. I know you say bad things about me to Mama, but don't worry. Don't worry. One day, you will talk good about me. You'll be proud of me. But for now,
Hey, yeah, hey, come here. Hey, come back here with the canvas. Come back here. See. Let Mama come back, you will see yourself. Hey, Okada, don't carry her. Hey, don't carry her. Hey. Thank God you broke my teeth. Bia, what about my soap and my sponge? Hey.
Who's keeping Dennis? Oh God, I've missed him so much.
oh, my baby is here, honey. I'm calling. Baby. Good morning, ma.
Morning. What do you want?
Please, ma, sorry to disturb you. I came to know if you're returning the room because your money expired last night.
Oh, of course, I'm returning the room. I'm just waiting for my man. He's coming.
Alright, ma. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Sorry to disturb you.
Next time, you don't need to walk yourself upstairs. You can just call the intercom, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Please lock the door.
Alright, ma. Thank you.
Denise, you see what you're putting me through, eh? Why? Does it mean you went to the office without coming to see me?
Hey, sister, you are wrong. How could you leave him with your best friend?
Just relax. We had a deal.
No, sis, you have to go back to your house. You just don't trust people like that, no matter who they are.
No, I trust my girlfriend. Besides, I told them that I'm traveling. Yes.
We already agreed that I was going to go to the village for you this weekend. But until then, sis, you have to go back to your house. My goodness, do you realize your marriage is barely a few months old? Your traditional marriage took place a while ago and you are yet to actually wed. So how could you take such a chance, sis?
It's okay, darling. I know you're trying to protect me. I know. But you see that girl over there? Gift has been my friend. As in, from university. So I know exactly what she can do. That's why I put her there for her to, because I know I want to catch Dennis red-handed. Dennis, yes. So don't bother. I know my best friend. Bestie. We'll call each other bestie. Yes. It's not everybody I can say, go and do this to my husband or go and do this. No.
It doesn't matter, sis. Everyone who ever got betrayed were betrayed by their best friend. The very people they trusted. And if you ask me, I think the pants you saw in your husband's trouser is enough for you to do whatever you want to do to him.
No.
Sis, I can't believe you can take such a risk.
Don't worry, it's not a risk. I just want to catch Dennis. I know Dennis. That's why that trap, Dennis will enter that trap. You see me? That's why I put that girl. Can't you see her shape? Don't worry. Dennis will not kill me. I'll catch Dennis.
I hope you won't regret this. I really hope you will not regret this.
I won't, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay? Just trust me.
Hey, can you imagine, Gift? My dear, look at me. Oh. Just look at me. Okay, the pant I bought it for my wife. I wanted it to be like a surprise to her. Oh. Okay? And then I came back very weak. I forgot. I forgot the pants at the pocket of my trouser. Do you understand? Then I slept off and I forgot everything. You understand? How on earth would my wife think I'm cheating on her? Eh? Do I look like a cheat? I cannot cheat my wife. That pant was for her. You understand? And it's a very beautiful pant with diamond on the waist. I wanted, you know, when I'm kind of making love to her, I'll be looking at the diamond and it will be shiny and glossy in my eyes. You know, I can't cheat on my wife. You know, that's why I went and bought that beautiful pant. It's for her actually. Yes.
It's okay, Mr. Dennis.
It's okay.
When she comes back, I will try and explain things to her. Maybe this whole thing got messed up because you didn't explain things to her the way you just did.
No, not really. She didn't give me the chance to explain things to her. Yes. Immediately I started talking Zwa on my ears. A very hot slap. Very dirty hot slap I got from her. It wasn't funny at all. Okay, just look at me. No, babe, look at me. Do I look like an unfaithful man? Yeah? Which man on this earth, even when I'm eating, I'm faithful. When I'm making a call, I'm faithful. When I'm driving, a lot of women are passing with big bumper. Yeah. I'm not even looking at them. I'm not even looking. I don't even look at them. You understand? I'm faithful. Okay. Now we are talking. You're here now. See how you're shining. Am I actually looking at you? I'm not looking at you. I'm faithful. Eh? You understand? I'm a very faithful man. Everybody knows that. Eh?
It's okay.
Okay, look at the way you're touching me.
Calm down.
Eh? I'm still faithful. Eh? Even when you dropped my hand on your laps, I'm not even squeezing it. I'm still faithful. Eh? Everybody knows I'm a very faithful man. After my wife,
Oh, calm down, okay? Just calm down.
It hurts me.
I will talk to her when she comes back.
Yes. Okay.
Just calm down. Answer your call.
I will. It's a call from the office.
Okay,
so let me go inside the room and answer it. Huh?
I get right?
Yeah.
Yes. I will talk to her when she's back.
It's okay.
What has come over your sister? Eh? Is this how she now visits the village, that she couldn't wait to see me?
Mama, have I not told you that she's misbehaving? Very useless person. Eh? Very useless person. Misbehaving. I have told her to go and pay her school fees by herself. At least she can now see I'm in the village.
I will talk to her on phone.
That is if she will pick. Very useless person. Eh? Very useless.
I spoke to Okute concerning you working with him together.
Hey, Mama. You have spoken to him already.
What will I do now? How can you be sitting idle? You need to work and make money. And he sews men's clothes. Then you will be sewing women only.
And children.
Hey. At least he has a shop. That's a good one.
Rita, let me be now. Leave me alone. Rita, leave me alone. Eh? What I'm thinking now is how to get this gift of a girl. Eh? She's just all over me. Rita, what is it? Tell the manager that I'll be there. I am coming. I'm busy here. I'm sorting out some things, okay? call you back.
Mr. Dennis.
Yeah?
I am here to ask you if I should get your food ready by now.
My food? Yes. Oh yes. Yes, I need my food. Yes. Can you imagine my wife? My wife she's just accusing me of cheating on her.
Oh.
Can you imagine?
That's bad.
Really?
Yes. But anyway, it's okay, okay? Don't worry yourself, okay? I am here to take care of you. Yes. Let me get you your food.
Okay.
Just drink up. Ouch! My legs. Oh! My legs. Oh my goodness. My leg.
Your leg hurt?
Yes, my leg hurts.
I'm so sorry about that, okay?
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry about that.
I'll manage. Oh.
This girl, she's just all over me. My body needs her body. Her soul needs my soul. I am going to devour her. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is a big bonbon. I'll come close. Then I'll take down my pants. Then I'll draw her bonbon close to me. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Leaving. So, take care of yourself.
I will.
And please, do not tell Mama anything. If I hear pim, I will kill you.
Well, I need that one to tell Mama, because if I do, she'll come to the city and end your marriage.
I know.
Besides, you know we never supported your marriage to that stupid man in the first place.
I know. I know you're trying to protect me.
Sis, this is how you get when you want to bribe me. It's okay. I've said I won't tell Mama. Stop trying to bribe me. If you want to bribe me, you know that. Money.
Money, I know.
Money.
Don't worry. I know I'm going to catch Dennis. Definitely. But don't worry. Okay? I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, I'll come see you when I'm back.
Yes, be reading your books. Alright?
Big sister ritual. You must remind me to read my books. Madam, waka waka. I do.
Oh, you know, tell me say don't get one guy.
What guy?
I see in car outside.
Salt. So every car you see belongs to a guy. That was my sister's car. She came to see me.
Hey! What? Babe, now your sister they pull that machine. Babe, I too like that car. Now you your husband get money.
Yeah, he does, and he's very stupid as well. Oh my god, let's not even talk about him. That man is annoying.
Babe, I don't get something.
Oh yeah?
I don't get something with a very powerful. You said you go like her. What is that?
food not ready?
Not yet. I'm just getting it heat up. Are you not going to work today?
How do you expect me to go to work in this mood? I'm not just happy. All I need now is something that will make me happy.
Oh, I understand. I am so sorry, okay? You know, I've told you that I am here to make you happy, Jackson.
Stop it! Stop it! Oh. She asked you to seduce me. Huh? Oh. Okay. Okay, she asked you to seduce me, right? But let me tell you something. You cannot seduce me. I am a born-again Christian. I'm a child of God.
Oh yes, hallelujah, somebody. Yes, of course you're a child of God. But sweetheart, I like you. And I'm sorry about whatever your wife must have told you. But it's just you and I in this whole house. So we can actually have fun. And again, she did not send me here to seduce you. I like you, don't you like me?
Get behind me, Satan! Oh. Get behind me, stop it! You know what? I think I have to go and dress up and leave this house for you. And get out of this house.
Mr. Dennis. This guy is frustrating me. Okay. I know what to do. I'll get you.
What's happening? What's wrong with Dennis? I called him last night and he was saying something else. Are you sure he's okay? Is he having issues with his wife? How do I pay these hotel bills if these people come here again? What will I respond to them? What will I tell them? The worst is I don't even have any money. I don't have money. Who is there?
Oh, good day, madam.
What is it again? What is it?
Madam.
What is it?
I've been calling you, but you're not responding.
Yes, I had the intercom ring.
Please, it's already 12 o'clock and I need to close my account. The manager is also on my neck. Please.
I don't understand. Listen, I've been in this hotel for more than 7 days and I've been paying my bills. Just yesterday and today, and you people want to eat me up. I mean, who does that for a hotel that's like a home to me?
Madam, it's just the rules of the hotel. Please, it's not actually my fault. Please, I want to suggest something. Can you just call your husband on the phone to contact the manager so that I can leave? Another person wants to take over. Please, ma.
You know
I'm
what?
begging you, I don't want to lose my job.
You just keep quiet, please. My man is on his way here, okay? When he comes, I'll come downstairs and sort the bills myself, okay?
Alright, ma.
Good.
Please try, okay? Please, ma.
Just go already. I said I will. My man is coming to clear the bills.
Okay, ma. I want to close, so please. Before another person takes over. I'm sorry. Please try.
Dennis. Look what you're putting me through, eh? But wait, what if he does not come? How will I pay these hotel bills? Hey.
See, don't allow me to tell you to get out.
Eh?
Don't allow me to tell you to get out.
You are telling me to get out?
This is my father's land. This is my father's village. I will start my own.
Okay, let me see how you are going to
nothing
work.
you can do.
Let me see how it will work.
Okay.
I will make this village uncomfortable for you.
Okay.
Okay. Ina Achoku, you are threatening my daughter. What has she done?
Mama, she has done anything.
I fight you.
She has done many things.
I fight you.
Why would she come to my shop and tell, is that how to do things? You tell somebody, I want to work with you. The next minute, you tell somebody, you're not doing it again. You must do it.
Is it by force?
Yes, it's by force.
Come and force me.
I'm forcing you.
Did you see the P-Square fighting? Did you see P-Square? Two of them fighting. Did you not see when Rude Boy King is singing Reason with me and then the other one is singing his own tone? Did not see it? Okay, Mama, you are Jude. Judge it.
Mama, better judge it.
You are Jude.
Judge it.
Judge it, Mama.
Mama, judge it.
She said she wants to stay up.